Does a temporal video upscaler really beat a frame-by-frame image model, or does it just invent more detail? We tested the same 960 by 544 AI video frames in ComfyUI. Method 1 is 4x UltraSharp, applied independently to every frame and reduced to 2x. Method 2 is SeedVR2, which restores the clip with temporal context. On the glassblower, UltraSharp is conservative. Edges become cleaner, but the pixels still look like the source. SeedVR2 adds stronger skin, fabric, glass, and floor texture with a more processed look. The wolf makes the difference obvious. UltraSharp preserves the original anatomy almost exactly. SeedVR2 creates much richer fur and snow, but it also changes fine features. More detail is not the same as recovered truth. The bird crossing the face is the honesty test. Neither method repairs the broken interaction. UltraSharp faithfully enlarges the failure. SeedVR2 makes it sharper and more convincing. UltraSharp used about 10 gigabytes of VRAM and 79 to 85 seconds per clip. SeedVR2 used about 25 gigabytes and 84 to 105 seconds. The verdict: use UltraSharp when fidelity and low VRAM matter. Use SeedVR2 when perceived detail matters more. A temporal model is not automatically the safest choice. Always judge moving output, not a single perfect frame.